Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. I am going to hop into an analysis of Odd Chef. I'm going to talk to you about trade entry. I had a question from a student this week and they asked me, should I sell Odd Chef from this area right here on the daily? So this area right here at 57.21. And I'm going to explain to you why I told her I would not enter here. Okay. I would only enter here under certain conditions, but preferably I would not enter here, and I'm going to show you why. So if you struggle with trade entry, then just watch this video because it's going to help you. So let's go to the monthly. Okay, I'm going to start out on the monthly time frame, and the reason why I want to start out on the monthly is because I always like to go out to the higher time frame so that I can see overall what is going on with this pair. So if we look at the monthly, we can see that Odd Chef is deeply bearish. It is trading in a healthy downtrend. You can see that we have a double top formation right here. We had a neckline. So after being bearish for some time, it appeared that we possibly wanted to have a trend reversal here and change to the upside. So this was back in September, October of 2020. Price then continued to climb. We broke this previous high in the downtrend. And so this was an indication that the market was reversing to the opposite direction. However, we did form a new high in the opposite direction, and then price paused where it was previous support and it became resistance in the future. And then the market continued to fall from there. So these patterns are very helpful when you look out to the higher time frame, like the monthly. You want to look for patterns that stick out to you. You want to look at price levels the market is retesting or rejecting. There's several things that you can look for, but you can see here on this monthly, this is where that double top formed. Here's the neckline of the double top. So our neckline is right within here. And look how support was broken on the monthly and it became resistance, gave us a bearish flag pattern, and price continued to descend to the downside. Now look here, look how the market continued to drop. Look left and notice that this is a rejective low. This is our pandemic low from March of 2020. So since then, the market found it very difficult to break this area. So we started to have some congestion and the market is pretty much moving sideways on the monthly. So when you see something like this is an indicator that possibly the market wants to push the opposite direction, perhaps give us a correction on the lower time frame so that the market either will continue to break short or it will reverse to the opposite direction. So notice how I'm on the monthly time frame and I'm pretty much just creating a story. I'm trying to build some type of action plan as to what is the market doing, what do I see, and how can I use this to help me execute. So now what I'm going to do is continue to drill down, but I always want to be mindful of where price is right now and where is it possibly going. Notice on this monthly how we are very close to support. Okay, this is pretty much demand. Areas where we expect buying pressure to possibly come in. Now, you never want to buy too high or sell too low. Okay, we don't want to buy too high and we don't want to sell too low. So if I am looking to short, I'm going to find a very strong level where I feel the market could come to and reverse. Okay. And right now, if I do something like this, one area I do see is right about here. I think that that's where the market can go to pretty soon and bounce off of this level. Now notice right here, I'm closer to support than I am to resistance. So in my mind, even if price is right here where it is now, I'm not interested because I'd be shorting too low. Okay. So now that I have these levels, I have one level above price, I have one level below price. I don't have a bunch of lines on my chart. I don't have a bunch of indicators on my chart. I have a very clear chart focusing on price action and structure, and that's all I need because that's going to keep trading very simple for me. Now I can continue to work my way down. So now I'm on the weekly time frame. Again, deeply bearish, right? Look how long the market has been falling. And now look at this. Look how, remember we were at support, right? Market has given us signs that it doesn't want to go any lower. However, anything could happen. And now we are moving sideways, okay? So here is where you will see pretty much the wick-off method, and you can go and study that. But you can see that price is pretty much sideways right now. And there's a possibility that it will continue to push higher. Now, we also see that the market is rejecting off of our support and it's pretty much in correction mode. So if you were trading off the weekly time frame right now, your best opportunities to enter the market is pretty much support right here, because you could put a conservative stop loss below your support, and resistance right here. This is your opportunity. This is where the market came to, and let's see how many pips it fell. So from here all the way down to support, wow, that's 300 pips. That's a lot of movement, okay? So when you are looking at where to buy and sell, you don't want to buy or sell very small areas where the price made, really small movements. You want to look at swings on your chart where the market moved a couple hundred pips, a couple hundred pips, a couple hundred pips, a couple hundred pips. Okay. So let's continue to drill down, and I'm going to go to the daily time frame. So now on the daily, if this pair was moving to the upside, okay, this is where the student asked me, should they short right here? Okay. So I told her, if you're scalping, then I possibly will monitor this area to see if I had any type of confirmation. But in my opinion, this is not the best level to even scalp. Regardless if you are a scalper, an intraday trader, or a swing trader, you want to trade from the best levels. And if we look at this chart, we've already looked at it from the higher time frame. We know that this area is our best level to buy, okay? And we've already identified that this area is our best level to sell, okay? Now you might even be asking, well, what about this area? But remember, we located this on the higher time frame, on the monthly, weekly. And the reason why we are waiting for this area is because the probability is on our side that the trade will go our way. Look here. Support became resistance, and look how much the market fell, okay? If you short here, why do you want to short where all these wicks are at support? You don't want to do that, all right? So I just wanted to shoot this quick video on where to enter. I hope that this gives you some clarity just in your trading. What you could do is follow OddsChef and put an alert right at about 5,900, study this zone and watch how price reacts off of it, and then go from there at the time of this video. Otherwise, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification if you are not following our content, and you will get everything when we upload it. Otherwise, guys, come join us in Telegram, and also we hope to see you inside of BK Trading Academy if you are a new or struggling trader. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video.